When you think about something like bathroom remodeling,
Hmm.
you probably picture sledgehammers, tile, grout. It feels like the last place you'd expect to find cutting-edge artificial intelligence.
Right. It seems so hands-on,
Well,
so physical.
but looking at the source material we've got from a company called Samyak Online, that whole assumption is, well, it's just wrong. The fight over who renovates your bathroom is apparently being waged on the front lines of AI marketing.
It's a really strange collision of worlds, isn't it? You've got this very real, very physical work on one side, and then this incredibly complex LLM SEO on the other.
And they're not shy with the acronyms. The source is full of them. AI SEO, LLM SEO, AEO, and GEO.
Yeah, and that's the core of the shift. We're moving beyond just, ranking for keywords.
So AEO, that's answer engine optimization. How is that different from the standard SEO we're all used to?
Well, think of old school SEO as like a library card catalog. You search for a topic, and it just gives you a list of books to go look at yourself.
Okay, a list of blue links on Google?
Exactly. AEO is more like asking the librarian to read all those books for you and then just give you the answer. It's about optimizing for things like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Google's AI overviews.
So the goal isn't just, here's a list of contractors. It's, tell me who is the best contractor to hire.
Precisely. And that changes everything. The source points out that homeowners are having these really detailed conversations with AI now. They're not just typing bathroom remodel near me.
What are they asking then?
Something more like, who is a reliable contractor for a safety-led bathroom renovation that will also maximize my home's resale value?
Wow, that's a very different kind of search. It's so specific. But how can a computer program possibly understand what safety-led even means in that context?
That's where something called semantic SEO comes in. It sounds a bit dense, but it's the whole game now.
Okay, break that down for us.
It's not just about having the word safety on your website. It's about structuring all your online information, your data, so the AI understands the context. Samyak Online talks about using schema markup.
So that's code.
Yeah, it's code that explains the relationships between things or entities. So the AI doesn't just see the word vanity. It understands this contractor installs vanities, which is related to plumbing, which connects to local building codes, and all that signals long-term value.
It's like you're building a little knowledge graph specifically for the AI to read. You're proving you're an expert, not just saying you are.
You've got it. And for bathroom remodels, the stakes are high, right? The source calls it a detail-driven industry. If the plumbing's wrong, you get water damage, mold.
It's not like buying a bad t-shirt online.
Not at all. And because of that risk, the AI models are prioritizing what Google calls EEAT.
Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. I've heard of that. But isn't that usually for, like, medical or financial advice websites?
It used to be, but now it applies everywhere, especially when there's risk involved. The source makes it clear that building this digital authority is the only way a contractor gets recommended by a generative engine.
So if an AI doesn't see enough of those trust signals, it just won't include you in the summary it gives the user.
It won't, and that's the scary part for these businesses. In the old world, if your SEO was bad, you were on page 2 of Google. Hard to find, maybe, but you were there.
Right.
In this new world, if the AI gives a summary of the top 3 local experts, and you're not one of them, you basically don't exist.
You're just invisible.
Completely. And that's what this company's selling. They're helping businesses in the US, UK, Australia build that authority so they become the answer the AI provides.
It really is a fundamental shift from search to, I guess, AI-driven discovery. It makes me wonder, though, what happens to good old-fashioned word of mouth? My neighbor used this person, they were great.
That's the big question. This source implies we're moving towards, well, maybe a machine of mouth economy.
Huh. Machine of mouth. I like that. It's a very sticky phrase.
It fits, doesn't it?
Yeah.
If ChatGPT's suggestion is based on synthesizing thousands of data points, project histories, and reviews, is that more trustworthy than one neighbor's anecdote?
That is the provocative thought to end on. Are we getting to a point where our neighbor's advice actually matters less than an algorithm's suggestion for who we should let into our homes?
It seems like the marketing world is already betting on it.
A lot to think about. Thanks for tuning into this deep dive. We'll see you next time.